Hi, Amlan. It's so good to have you here for this interview. So first off, let's just start with your introduction.
Yeah. Thanks, Ria, for the opportunity. And myself, Amlan Sahoo, and I'm WonderBotz MVP. I'm working here from last 1 year as a senior RPA developer, and for some projects, I'm working as like a senior architect or a tech lead, something like that. So it depends on the project. Yeah. So that's all about me.
Perfect. So I'm sure there are things that have propelled your success in this industry. So my question to you is, what is that one thing that contributes to your success as a leading developer in this industry?
Yeah, so before I started to RPA, I was a test engineer for a few months. So I knew where the application may fail, or if there is a scenario, if I'm developing something where the application may fail. That helps me a lot actually in my development. Rather than that, my thought process, I can say, which will help me to grow. Like for example, if I see a process for the first time in automation, I never go the approach which comes to my mind initially, or it comes very fast. It always, I always think if there is a step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, then which will be the easy one. Like step 1 maybe the easy one, step 2 maybe the easy one. So whatever will be the easy one, I will go with that one, so that it can be reusable, it can be good approach in future if someone else is going to take it off. So that's how I think my success towards RPA is going on.
Yeah. And how has WonderBotz helped you fuel this imagination? What is your favorite thing about working here?
So WonderBotz always top notch in RPA. If you see in the market, the way they think, the way they approach towards solutions, always top notch. So like for example, before I joined a WonderBotz, when I do a development, I just do a development for a particular process. I never think of like how it is going to be in future, how it can be reusable. I never think of that thing. But now when I do a process, I always think, even if I'm creating one new action, that can be reusable in another process or not, and how it can be easy if someone is doing production support or development in future, how it can be easier for them, easier to understand every perspective. So that's how like nowadays I'm thinking, if I'm doing 20 automations, in out of that, like some around 15 actions are getting used in different processes, which was not the case before. Yeah, that's how it helps me a lot in WonderBotz.
Yeah, as I understand, you put a lot of thought and effort behind each solution. So
Yeah.
if I could ask you to tell me, what do you think the future of automation would look like according to you?
Yeah, so see, future of automation is very exciting, like when it started, no one knows how it will grow. Now, the future is with AI and machine learning. But, like I never think, AI and machine learning will overstep, RPA. RPA will be there, but it will be a step by step with AI or with machine learning. So that's how it will be more interesting. As well as, sometimes with few advanced technology like Python, or, like some, you can say Tableau or Power BI integration. All these things will make it more exciting. So that's how we are looking for the future of RPA. But let's see, it may change a lot what I'm thinking now. But yeah, that's how my perspective for now.
Yeah, I completely agree. So I hope that you continue to learn and grow at WonderBotz. And thanks for joining me today.
Thank you, Ria. Thanks for the opportunity.